this? It's a tunnel. What's in here? What? What is this? A banana? 600. Damn. So this is Teardown People, a game where you can just do this. And this. And that. You know, it's just a game where you just destroy just about anything. Why is my... Huh. I guess I'm sleeping here. Damn. Oh well. So last time we were able to do the water tower and heavy lifting. Now I want to do some tools. But what's this letter? Thanks. Now I just need to find where you can work safe. Get back to you a bit. Okay. So now I just need to find some tools for this guy to do his thing. Okay. Very nice. It's been a while since I've been here. Ever since that heist. This is the escape route. It's different from what it usually is. One of them's right here. I could probably use a car. There's a car right there. Okay. The drill. Can I move this in any way? I think I can. The whole thing, because I could pick it up, right? So if I could find a crane, I can move this. Yeah, here. It's pretty smoky. This one right here. Hopefully this does not sink. Let me just quick save this. Safely.
Two hours later.
Okay. Wait. Quick save. Okay, it's saved. Now it's next to each other. Yep. They're next to each other right now, so now I just need to find a way to do that one. Damn. Damn, how did I get in here? That guy's like strong as hell for be able to do this. Be able to pull it off. He's built different. Come on, just squeeze. There we go. That should be enough, right? Okay. Got it. We just... Damn. Let's see, let's see. Target's right here. Let me just... I don't think I saved that far. Yeah.
But things are different today. Today, monkeys are teaching us things. Watch what happens when I give them... monkeys.
Right here, so quick save. 3, 2, 1. Man. I found 30 seconds to spare. We're doing good. I don't want to get in the car. Okay, 20 seconds, 19 seconds. Should have plenty of time. Made it. Wait, wrong one. Wrong one. Okay, we made it. We made it. Last second. Last second. Muffle audio. Got them all. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's just begin the other one. Okay, let's see what we have. We have the, you know, saying that things are going better. Now we're going to Lawrence Lee Jr. Yeah, where he's upset about his building that was torn down. And he wants me to steal some art at Gordon's place. Okay. How many paintings does he have? Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We got like 6 paintings. I don't know how many I can move. Our escape point's here. So I gotta bring them as close as possible. We have 2 of them, so we grab it, get in here. I don't want to damage the vehicle, so I'm just showing this. So one here. Probably can use it to drive around. This other one I definitely use. Let's go explore. More expensive cars here. Okay, what's in here now? He's doing a party with this art. Cars are fast, so maybe I'll be able to do it. As long as I don't mess them up. Okay, where is this thing? Okay, let's just quick save. Damn. Okay, that's good. That's good, very good. Same level? So it's 7 meters. Okay, let's go up more. There it is. There we go. Huh. Then I jump down. Then I go here. And pick this one up, and then maybe I could jump out through the window. Yeah, I'll move the truck out of the way because it's a Lamborghini. I can use that one. Use that one. Yeah, you get it. Jump out. Yeah, just jump out through here, crash. Okay, let's just save this. Oh yeah. How would I get up there? So like that? Would I be able to climb up? So like that. So where's the elevator? Right there. Wait. So you like jump and then boom. Yeah, get that one. Jump, jump. Get through here. Bam. Then... this can be the driver's car. Let's do this. It gives me Jeep. So I'm gonna crash and then get in this car and I start going full speed into that wall. Full speed. And then get out of the car, get into that, get in the Lamborghini, full speed into that, full speed into there. Anything else I might need to go full speed at? Maybe there might be a faster way if I just go straight through here. It might be faster. Like at this angle. Like that. Okay. And then this one, let's do a practice run with this one. Okay. So it'd be full speed, full speed, full speed, not off a cliff. That's for sure. Be pretty much full speed. Turn, turn, straight ahead, turn, straight, just jump it, and then just get on from the rest. I don't need that one. Like I don't know, movement device. Movement device. For now, I'll just do 4. For now. Boom. 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 Nah. Okay, I'm just getting this one. 25 seconds. Seconds to spare. It's crazy. I know the strat on this one, so might as well. Next time I'll get it right. First time ever not doing optional. New tool. Ooh. Very sounds nice. Bombs. Okay, let's see what's new in the messages. Okay, save the day local celebration day. Tanks! Musicians like a home guard to do their annual parade. That's just like a message. This one's artwork. Who are Gillian Johnson? Okay, investigating an art incident. Yeah. Claims to know who's responsible for the stolen. Okay, so these guys are like sending me back and forth. It's like, so it first started with Lawrence Lee, maybe. Right? Did it start with Lawrence Lee? Okay, it started with Gordon Wu, and then he went against Lawrence Lee, and then Lawrence Lee wanted me to destroy this guy's place, and then Gordon Wu sent me to destroy his place, and then now Lawrence Lee is like upset about that, so he sent me to go steal his art, and now we're in this situation where uh, this person who works for the Gordon Wu place, with all his art was stolen, which was like not replaceable. So she joined in to help out. So she wants me to bring out the paintings. Okay, that sounds easy, and I'll do that next time.
And here, hopefully you guys enjoyed this week's video. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe. Make sure to comment if you heard any of my sisters scream. They were screaming a lot. Like, you could probably hear it if you paid attention. So make sure to comment if you ever hear it. They would say, I heard some idiot scream or something. Okay, I'll see you guys next time.